I'm Josh, and this is how Coleg y Cymoedd changed my life. So currently, I am working with a company called Australia. We provide AV support with multiple different companies, one of which is Google, where I'm based here in London. My journey with Coleg y Cymoedd started when I finished school. During my interview process, I was interviewed by Tracy, who asked about my hobbies, my interests, which I told her I play guitar, like music. She then introduced me to the music technology course, and I instantly then decided that this was the course for me. Coleg y Cymoedd has helped me in so many ways, especially during my course time. My tutors made me realise that everything I was learning during the course could be related or adapted out in the work environment. My tutors even noticed my enjoyment of the live aspect, the technical side of stuff, and then went out of their way to get me some work outside of the college, some work experience. Chris Summerhill got me on a little mini tour of a high school musical show around the valleys. Then he got me a day working in Bretton Theatre with the Levellers, which was incredible. What makes Coleg y Cymoedd so good for me is their investment constantly in getting better facilities and better people for their students. Without Coleg y Cymoedd, I don't know where I'd be now. Since doing that course and then working with them, I went then abroad. I travelled across the world, meeting people I never would have met, doing jobs I never would have done. Also had the benefit of working with some of the biggest companies in the world, Disney, JP Morgan, Google. Without Coleg y Cymoedd, I wouldn't be where I am today, and I would not have had some of the most incredible experiences that I've had. I am now in my dream job. I love every day coming to work. It's really enjoyable.